Okay, silver D1. PTips claims that RSI is on overbought. Yes, it is. Okay, and then the dual Bollinger bands, prices are between the top bands. Okay, so essentially this is more of a bullish note. Okay, so yeah, more bullishness from what we see here. Okay, let's take a look at H4 to see if there's any direction. All right, so based on H4, RSI is above 50. The dual Bollinger bands are within the 1.0 deviation band, so we're stuck in a ranging market. Now, how I see this is as long as the prices are above MA20, then essentially it's still more bullish. Okay, as you can see over here in the past, prices were ranging. Okay, prices were still above MA20, and then it spikes up. Over here, the same thing, it was ranging, okay, testing the lower bands of the top band, and then it spiked up. And then over here, the same thing, okay, potentially it may be, rewriting history again. All right, so based on H4, we can see that we're stuck in a ranging market, but essentially, we are still more on a bullish bias. Okay, so now let's take a look at H1. All right, so based on H1, what do we see here? Okay. H1, okay, it's quite interesting. H1, you can notice that the highs are getting lower and lower, right? So essentially, it is an indication of a potential bearish trend, okay? But the RSI is right at 50, okay? So it's literally stuck in a ranging market. And you can see that there's a Bollinger squeeze. So yeah, we will only be able to see a trend after the Bollinger squeeze opens up. So the bands, dual Bollinger bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands within the squeeze. Yeah, there's no real clear direction for silver right now. But yeah, what you can see is this though, the lows and highs, right? They are consolidating, right? It's creating basically that triangle. Okay, so prices will be bouncing up and down between this triangle and then break above or below. Okay, there's a 50-50 chance of a break up, and then there's a 50-50 chance of a break down below. Okay, so in terms of silver right now, we will be trading within the triangle. Okay, so how will I actually be trading this bias? Based on the larger time frame.